Hello, and welcome to the Sandia Mountain Natural History Center for another quick trip. We've been having a problem lately with birds building nests in the eaves of our buildings. That's not good for the birds because it's a high traffic area, and it's not good for us because it makes quite a mess. But I think I have a solution for both, and I know just a guy to solve it for us. Let's go find him. Hey Toby, we got a problem with Phoebe's living in the eaves of our building. You think you could help us out building a birdhouse for him?
Sure. Let's get started.
Alright.
Let's find a piece of wood that doesn't have any preservatives or treatments on it, which would be bad for the birds. So let's find a piece of wood that is clean and usable. It looks like these old fence rails right here would work. So I think I have my pieces of wood.
Please see the description box below for plans on this house and many others. So I did a little research, Toby, and it said that Phoebe's like to live right on the edge of where a forest meets a meadow. So I think this is going to be a good treat for it.
Absolutely. I think so as well.
So why don't you go ahead, I'll hold it and you can screw it. I think that'll be good for both us and the Phoebes.
Absolutely.
Building birdhouses is a fun activity for the whole family and a great way to get into bird watching. Just remember to be cautious when using the tools. For more information on the amazing fly catching ability of the Phoebe and many other birds, please see the description box below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll see you on the next quick trip.